You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Why are you mad at me?
Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
So this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down. Oh.
I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me?